Welcome, today in front of me Xiaomi Redmi 4X, and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search pool we should enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Now let's click here to open the app. Tap to enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher. Tap to OK and go back. Then click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to green Apple keyboard. Now we can see that the process is finished, and let's use the app search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.